Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out the Merry Christmas sale going on at your local Harbor Freight. So let's dive in. So we're going to check out some of these deals. You can see right here the Christmas sale going on right here. Starting off with the U.S. General 2-pack wrench organizer set. You can check this one out. I do like that it's red and black right there. Also, we have the Voyager bag. Again, a nice price for a tool bag there. Always great to see some of these ratchet tie downs on sale. Snag some of these for the heavy duty ones here. We have Quinn have their impact set here, 27 bucks. Also the larger set here for $35. Pittsburgh also has theirs on sale there for $7. So again, if you wanted the smaller set there, you can also grab some needle nose pliers. Just had to use these tonight. So you can always grab some of these if you need some of those. Keep them in your pack or wherever it might be. Then they have a couple different things here for Hallmaster, $5. And then they also have the axle strap as well. So you can get one of those. Got that down to $6 as well from Hallmaster. They have the Jupiter power inverters, 120 watts. So this is the smaller one. They have a larger one as well. That's $17 here. And they also have the wheel chock, $12 here. Little rubber wheel chock there. Then the ratcheting tie down. Again, another option for that one. They have the general purpose tool set here from Pittsburgh. 130 pieces down to $33. That's a great one. Any one for a little DIY set for the house. Got the impact accessory set here from Quinn. See the different sizes there. 25 bucks. Again, comes with a nice little case. High-vis socket set, 66 piece. Also from Quinn, $50 there. And here's the larger Jupiter little inverter as well. Significantly more expensive, but a little bit larger there. Also have the Hardy gloves. These were on sale for the Black Fridays, but still on sale right here. Get some safety glasses. Again, a little easy, cheaper price there. Air compressor accessory kit, $20 here. Great thing to check out there. And then they also have a little tire inflator, the gauge option there. We have the spray gun here from Central Pneumatic, $23. Also have some shop towels, $8. Again, always great to grab some of these for the shop or for the house. I also have the Merlin rubber air hose, $12 for this one. I really like this camo tarp here, $17. Pretty sure we got everything tarped that we can at my house already, but I really like that one. Then we have the Fortress option here for $170. Again, 2-gallon option right there. We have the welding gloves here for $10 from TIG. So again, if you're going to be getting any of these welders, great thing to pick up here. We also have some more welding options here. A little magnet holder right there from Chicago Electric. Then we also have the solar Thunderbolt, $35. I know a lot of people are grabbing some solar options, kind of help out with different things. Next thing, we have the soldering iron here, $3. Also from Chicago Electric. A little pry bar installer kit. Need one of those. Great thing for working on your vehicle. Have some masks here for $1. Also some wire strippers as well from Pittsburgh here. $3 on that one. Saw the Warrior blades. Some of the best prices you're going to get on blades right there. $8 for those. Different ones. Also the Bauer sanding discs. $9 here. These are just some of the batteries that are available. They have their larger setup as well in the store, and you can see all of these that are available. But good prices on these. So if you need some of those, you can definitely grab some and save you a little bit of money. They also had some of these little clamps here, and then also the bags. So if you need one of those, or even some of these storage options here as well, down to $2. Now, I will say here for the Warrior belt sander, I did not see a price, and honestly, I did not find it in the store either. So I'm not 100% sure what that price would be, but it is going to be one of the cheapest options you can find with the Warrior brand. Also have the TV mount here, one of the cheapest options you'll find on that. Drillmaster fixed base router, so $45 right there. And then I also really like these small little pruning saws here. And this is a good price for one, 55 bucks. Then I did want to show you guys some of the other deals going on in the store. I will show you some of the Inside Track Club deals as well as some of the clearance going on in the store as well. So Inside Track Club, it does cost about 30 bucks a month, but you can get in there and you'll get to get some of these other deals all throughout the year. They have deals on different things. You also get in early for all the major deals as well, so you can check those out. But like I said, I'll show you a bunch of these options going on right now. So you can see a lot of these right here, from the vacuum pump to the Bauer circular saw, and then even other items like that. So whatever you might be needing, you can see there's a lot of great deals going on right now. I also have the demolition hammer right there from Bauer, and then even the grease gun from Hercules. I haven't seen this wood chest before, but you see that little 8-drawer wood chest. Never seen one of those here, so might be interested in that with some smaller storage there. Never know what you might need. They did have these like $10 under bags or boxes, so they had a bunch of these things. So if you want to grab some stocking stuffers or any kind of thing like that for Christmas, these aren't extremely great deals, so I didn't show you all of them. Those are a couple of them I thought might be good, but you can check those out at your own store. We have a couple earthquake options here. We have the earthquake one on clearance here for 90 bucks. So if you need one of those, great thing. Also have the central pneumatic tool here, impact wrench. So you can check that out there for $130. Again, another great price. Air ratchet, 18 bucks. Earthquake also has theirs for 40. We have the riveter here from McGraw, 50 bucks. Air sander, also from McGraw, $30 there. And then also more central pneumatic. We saw some of these earlier, but this is a different setup here for the spray guns for 99 bucks. And like I said, those are the ones we saw earlier as well. And then here's another compressor combo kit. And then also the Black Widow kit. Have the Brad nailer from Banks. These are some of the best like nail guns you'll be able to get, and prices wise, more of a DIY brand, but still a great option if you are in need of getting a few things done around the house. Pierce is a little bit nicer brand, so still $170, good price for those, like comparable to like Home Depot and stuff like that. Still a little bit better brand, I do think, than the other ones. Have the Badland winch. They cannot go without having a deal on a Badland winch, but see that. Also see the Road Shock lights here for $130. Pretty good price on those. They had a huge clearance section at my store this time. Again, I don't know what they're trying to make room for, maybe just new merch or whatever. But you can see a lot of these items right here. So make sure you check your store. I know they're trying to move out some of these older items, getting some of the newer tools and stuff like that in. So you can check those out. We got some little multi-tool blades right there. Also have some battery options. I like this universal solar connector. So if you have like multiple different solar panel kind of things, you can check that one out there for 15 bucks. Again, a great price for that one. We have the different code readers here. I know they have one on sale, but they had a bunch of these other ones that were on clearance. And then also multiple other blades here. Some more clearance items. Then we have some battery chargers. A little PCD cup wheel, 44 bucks. A battery there from Bauer, 24 bucks. That's a great price. More cables here, and then other tools like this. So always make sure you go to the back and check and see what they have available. Like I said, these are pretty new at my store, so they must be trying to make room for some other stuff, but you never know what they might have back here on clearance. They also have more little hose here for Inside Track Club. So again, another deal with that one. Another rubber hose here for Inside Track Club, a little small one. They have the universal battery, so you can check that one out here for 60 bucks. The Maddox flaring toolkit, also 60 bucks there. We saw the grease gun earlier from Hercules, good brand. Hercules was a great brand here at Harbor Freight. They have the Pittsburgh lift, so 100 bucks there. So if you need one of those. Also have the ammo can here, 10 bucks. The plastic option. Oh no, this is the metal option. So again, a good deal. Check out some pliers here. Pittsburgh pliers, 10 bucks there. Again, basic plier set. Also have the deep impact socket sets here from Pittsburgh. 20 bucks for those right there. Another great pickup, great find. We have their breaker bar here from Pittsburgh. 18 bucks. The Doyle option here for 150. Little anvil option. Also have some more Quinn wrench sets. 30 bucks there for that one. More just wrenches here. Again, down to 20 bucks for Pittsburgh. So again, another great deal right there. A little cart. These are game changers. Just be able to store stuff on. 60 bucks. Highly recommend these. Also down to $20 here. You see this one for these propane torches. I've had a video on one of these I really like. They work really well. This is a little bit larger one than I have, but it's a great option. Next we have the parachute little hammock here. These things were so cool back in the day, but still a great option. A little price right there for 15 bucks for one. The torque wrench here from Quinn, 60 bucks right there for that one. Again, another great pickup, great thing to check out. Also have some Predator options with the pressure washer here, 300 bucks. They also had multiple different little battery backup kind of options for Predator now. I don't know if I got a video for that because it wasn't on sale, but it's a great thing to check out. More Pittsburgh screwdriver sets here, down to 5 bucks. I mean, probably the cheapest you're going to find for those right there. They also have the T-handle set here from Pittsburgh. It says they're new. I hadn't really seen these super often, but 15 bucks. They did have the solid dolly, so 25 bucks for Franklin. I did not see any of these in store at my store, but you see some of the options I have around here, but I didn't see any of the solid ones, so you might have to check your store. Got the Hercules little variable speed router here. Also have the benchtop bandsaw from Bauer, 150. I don't think I've seen this tool here before. I don't know if I've ever seen it on sale, so 150 for that price. A couple different spot welders here, so whichever one you might need. Got the 150 price marked down a little bit there, and then also one next to it for 139. So really depending on what you might, which one you might need there. We have the plasma here from Titanium, down 100 bucks. Pretty good price on that one. More just like tool bag options here from Voyager. So this one again fits on your tool belt here. Drill press with laser for $250. Again, Bauer, great deal, great option right there. Kind of depending on which one you might need. And then we also have another Bauer option here for 60 bucks. The drain plug or the drain cleaner. So the drain cleaner here, a little bit bigger option. And then I have the large option as well, the 50 foot. So again, whichever one you might need, you can grab that and get you a little deal. Also have the Hercules option here for the heat gun for 42 bucks. Solid price. Kind of expensive heat gun, but does a good job. Also have the Hercules polisher here. You can check that one out for 90 bucks. Again, one of the better brands here. Have the angle grinder here from Warrior. See that 10 bucks right there. One of the cheapest ones you'll be able to find. I also had a little flashlight and drill kit. That's a great price for one. I mean, 20 bucks. Detailed corner sander, 20 bucks there. Also from Bauer. And then we have the belt sander as well for 55 bucks from Bauer right there. Well, there are some great deals going on right now at your local Harbor Freight Merry Christmas sale. Let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing. And if this video is helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe. I also have links for some of these items down below. And I'll see you in the next video.